Well, it's unmistakably a Jeep, the Jeep Wrangler Moab Edition. And where are these guys built? Well, guess what? They're built right here at Toledo Assembly. Let's go inside and take a look. How do you make an American icon? How do you protect that image, that brand? Well, come along with me here in the Jeep Assembly Plant in Toledo. We're going to see that American icon, a Wrangler, produced.
This robot takes the frame from the load carrier and loads it to the chassis carrier to begin the chassis assembly process. So then it goes to the unit plate. The noise in here is driving back to the tissue that hits the board. Here's an example. This is the little one in the front and the back. Once the frame is finished, it is sent next to the next operation for the operators to start assembling. Once they're finished installing all of the suspension components, here on this leg of chassis, my right, your left, we install the powertrain components. At the beginning of this line, we have another set of robots that we call frame flip. And this job basically is to flip their frame into the upright position so we can install all the power control for the customer. This fully assembled chassis is sent over to body marriage, where it makes up with the body coming from trim.
At some point we need to join together the chassis and the body. So what this robot is doing is it's picking up the completed chassis and it's putting it onto a conveyor that'll deliver it to the end of trim so that we can marry it up with the body.
Believe it or not, there are actually skillets here in the assembly factory.
The skillet is a moving platform, okay? So this right here, the operator typically would have to walk alongside the vehicle, and they'd have to track with the car and work on the assembly, right? So by having a moving platform, as well as a rotator, the operator is able to stand in one location and work exactly just like a surgeon, grab the part, put it on the car.
make it look real easy to put a windshield in one of these new Wranglers. At this point, it's starting to look like a